first generation, the period of the first generation was 1942 to 1954. First generation of computer started using vacuum tubes as the basic component for memory and circuitry for CPU. These tubes, like electric bulbs, produced a lot of heat and were prone to frequent fusing of the installations, therefore were very expensive and could be afforded only by very large organizations. In this generation, mainly batch processing operation system were used. In this generation, punch cards, paper tape, magnetic tape, input and output device were used. These there were machine code and electric wired board languages used. So in this first generation of computers, not much was able to be used by general public. Most of the operations were performed in very large organizations because the system was very large, using vacuum tubes. So vacuum tubes, they were very huge in size, and the input output that we do today, that we have a in we have if we see today's computer, there is a monitor, digital monitor, LCD monitor, plasma screen monitor, an input device. We have a keyboard, we have a mouse, we have a touch screen, sometimes laptop, there is a touch pad. So in that generation, in the first generation, the input and output was not how we imagine today, but you imagine like it was a generation where input and output was done with using lot of mechanical devices. Like to do input and output, a technique was used called punch cards. So a punch card was like, if you have observed, a in most of your house there will be handloom machine, or the handloom bamboo structure or wooden structure, where you can design your say towel, or you can design your own clothes. Your mother or your grandmother must have used handloom to, it's like a machine, sewing machine, where you produce your traditional dresses for gents jacket, and women, they make their traditional attire using that handloom. So there, if you observe, there were certain predefined design holes in there, in that design, and using that particular punch card, so and you can produce any design. So in the first generation also, the input to the system was given using this such kind of a punch card, where if you give a punch to that particular card, wherever the holes are there, those switches will be get activated, and the computer used to perform accordingly. So by shifting this punch card, we can make the computer perform most of the operations. So this punch card, to use this punch card, a special skill was required, and it was not able to be used by everyone. Like, we are not familiar with how to use the handloom. I am not familiar, most of you must not be familiar, but a special skill is required to it. So it's same thing.